Hello and welcome to my September favorites. So today we are going to be talking about all the products that I loved in the month of September. And don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video then give it a thumbs up. So I wanted to first start off with some hair care. So the first product that I have is from Drybar. This is their 3-day bender curling rod. So this is in 1.25 inches, I believe. Okay, so the reason why I love this, so it does still have that clip, however the barrel itself actually rotates. So as you're using it, take like so and just kind of hold it and it goes up. Hold it for 5 seconds or however long you need, and then it just kind of nicely just kind of falls right out of the rod. So this curling iron kind of gives me those beautiful old Hollywood kind of curls. I can brush them out. It gives me that nice wave. The curl holds all day. I can go to bed with it, wake up in the morning, and I still have that curl there. So that is the #1 reason as to why I love that curling rod. Next in hair care, I wanted to mention the Verb. This is their Gentle Cleanse and Light Volume Dry Shampoo. So this dry shampoo doesn't leave your hair gritty or anything like that. It does leave a white cast. So how I like to use it is I actually kind of dump it into my hands, rub it in my fingers, kind of work it into my roots, and then I actually go to bed with it. So then when I wake up in the morning, I just kind of brush it all through and it looks great. Highly recommend this. It's not super expensive and you get a lot in here. It takes me a while to go through this entire bottle. Next up, I wanted to talk about some skincare. So for skincare, I've been using the Farmacy Honeymoon Glow Serum. When I first used this, I actually broke out pretty bad. I got little kind of white bumps all over my forehead and on my chin. However, after continuous use, those bumps did go away. And now kind of when I wake up in the morning after I used it the night before, my face almost has that look as if I got a chemical peel done, just that my skin is completely resurfaced, refreshed. It looks amazing. So I would highly recommend this product as long as you're okay kind of getting through those first stages. If you have a bad reaction or something to that, just definitely stop or limit your use. Maybe don't use it every second day, or maybe kind of go to once a week. So next for makeup, I wanted to mention the foundation that I've been using every day. This is the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. This foundation, when I first tried it, because it says that it's face and body, I thought it was going to be a lot more of a light coverage. However, it is more medium and you can definitely build it. It has a beautiful finish, wears all day. Haven't had any issues of it transferring or anything like that. And I was able to find my perfect shade in this foundation. Next, we'll talk about what I have on my eyes. So on my eyes, I have the new Marc Jacobs. This is their Sequins Glam Glitter Eyeshadow. This is in shade Flashlight. So the reason why I love this product is because you can use it in 2 ways. You can use the eyeshadow kind of as a spotlight, where as I did in my last video, or you can use it how I did today, where I kind of put it all over the eyes and blended it out. The only drawback with this product is there's a ton of fallout. It gets everywhere. So whereas normally I do my base and everything first and then I'll do my eyes last, with this product I actually have to do my eyes first, go in with concealer. However, what you get afterwards is completely worth it. I would definitely recommend going into your local Sephora or anything like that and swatching this product. The actual consistency of it is kind of nothing like I've ever felt before. It's very airy, light, kind of powdery, and that's kind of what caught me off right away. Next up, I wanted to talk about Charlotte Tilbury's. This is their Magic Away Concealer. Now, this is a medium coverage. This is what I've been using every single day when I go to work. It's amazing. It's moisturizing. It's almost as if she packaged an eye serum into the container as well to go along with the concealer. It doesn't leave me dry anything. It does crease a tiny bit, but it's because it's more of a moisturizing concealer. Now, with that being said, it is not full coverage. You cannot use this for going out at night or using it for more of a glam look. It is more just kind of that everyday. Lastly, I wanted to mention what is on my lips and what has been blessing my lips every single day for this month of September. It is the Dior Addict Lacquer Stick, and it's in color rolling. I'm gonna show you here. So it's a beautiful kind of peachy nude. It's what I'm wearing on my lips right now. Gonna reapply that so you guys can see. It's a very moisturizing lipstick. The color goes great, goes with anything that I'm wearing, kind of any makeup that I have on. I don't notice that it transfers a ton, lasts quite a while. I wouldn't say it's anything like a liquid lipstick. You do have to reapply, but I only find myself reapplying it probably every couple of hours or so. And again, it's kind of like that lip balm feel. It's very moisturizing. So especially in wintertime when my lips get so dry, this is a great product to have. Alright, so that is it for my September favorites. So if you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. We will see you guys again next time.